Nothing is back, and this time they're going all out with what could be the 2023 flagship killer cooked to perfection. The Phone 2 officially brings the most important upgrade that we were all waiting for. A proper true flagship experience is coming. It will use the same processor that we see inside Samsung's $1,800 folding phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Of course, I'm talking about the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 made by TSMC. It is officially confirmed for the Phone 2, which is so much more than just a performance boost. Having proper optimization is so important, and because this chip has been out for almost a year, it's been thoroughly tested to the point where it is completely optimized and tailored to the Nothing Phone 2 and the Nothing OS, as confirmed officially that Snapdragon is fully on collaborating with the brand itself, making sure we get the best experience out of the Phone 2. On top of flagship performance, we also get a flagship camera ISP that is capable of giving some really pro features such as 4K 60 FPS video recording, as well as introduce HDR RAW capability. We're definitely going to see a massive improvements in the camera department. Then comes my favorite part, which is pricing. Because 8 Plus Gen 1 is a year old, it's not costing as much as it used to be, which means that Nothing can keep good price and attainable price for people when it comes to the overall pricing for the Phone 2. It is expected to cost somewhere around $500 range, which should make it a pretty good deal for most people. It will once again stand out thanks to its amazing design, which is going to be a further extension of what they have done with the Phone 1 last year, which was by far one of my favorite smartphone design of the year. There will be slight tweaks here and there, but personally I don't expect a major design change, which is great because Nothing has found their own brand identity in the sea of smartphones out there. Now the Phone 2 is rumored to pack 3 camera sensors compared to the Phone 1. So for the first time we could see an introduction of a optical zoom, probably 2x or 3x. It's gonna be really good, especially for those portrait mode photos. Again, nothing is confirmed on the spec side of the things. As for the software, Nothing has shown that they can improve their phone a lot better as time goes on. We have seen fast update schedule, fixing bugs, introducing performance enhancements. Even the Android 14 beta is compatible with the Phone 1, so I'm definitely expecting to see a more refined, stable, and a faster software experience with the Phone 2. Along with that, they confirmed that the release date is happening in the month of summer, so I'm guessing late June or mid-July, and this time the phone will also get released in the US. I gotta say, with the right pricing, the Phone 2 is looking very promising. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.